In this video, I will show you how to download and install IPTV Smartest Pro on your Google TV. So, over here is my Google TV, and by the way, this should also work for the Chromecast with Google TV as well. So first things first, what you want to do is to head over to the settings of your Google TV at the top over here. So just scroll over to this settings icon over here, and then you want to go ahead and click on the settings icon just close to your profile, just like so. And at this point, you just want to scroll down until you get to system over here, click on it, and then you also want to scroll down until you get to about over here, click on it as well. Now you just want to scroll down until you get to Android TV OS build over here. Now what you want to do is to go ahead and press on the OK or select button on your remote control for 7 times. Now this will enable the developer options on your Google TV for us to now be able to sideload the IPTV Smartest Pro app into the TV. So just go ahead and press on the select button for 7 times. And as you can see over here, I am now a developer. So once you're a developer, you want to go back to the previous option, and if you scroll down, you will notice that the developer options has been turned on for this particular device. Now once this is done, you want to go back to the home of your Google TV, come over to the app section, and in this search input field over here, you want to go ahead and search and download the app known as Downloader. So just go ahead and search for Downloader, and at this point, you want to go ahead and download and install this Downloader app over here. So just go ahead and click on it, and then make sure it is actually downloaded and installed on your Google TV. As you can see over here, mine is already installed, so I'll just go ahead and open it up. Now once the Downloader app opens, you want to head over to the browser tab at the top left corner of the app. So just come over to this browser tab, and you're going to get this nice looking browser from the Downloader app. Now what you want to do is to head over to this input field over here, and then you want to go ahead and search for IPTV Smartest Pro, and then just click on go. And now the Downloader app is going to give you a couple of websites from the Google search results where you can actually download the IPTV Smartest Pro app into your Google TV. Now what you just want to do is to scroll down with your remote control, and at the top over here, you're going to see the official IPTV Smartest Pro website, which is basically this website over here. So go ahead and click on it. You can basically see the address at the top over here. Now what you just want to do is to scroll down until you get to the download section, and since we are downloading this app for a Google TV, you want to come over to the Android app section over here, and then you just want to go ahead and click on direct download APK file. And from here, the IPTV Smartest Pro APK should automatically start downloading into your Google TV. But if it still does not download, just go ahead and click on the click here button over here, and it will automatically start downloading just as it is on my TV over here. Now once it is done downloading, you're going to see this pop-up screen on your TV. Now what you just want to do is to go ahead and click on settings, just like so. And from here, you want to go ahead and turn on this option for the Downloader app we downloaded and installed into our Google TV initially. So just go ahead and turn it on. And once it is turned on, you're going to see this pop-up asking you to install the IPTV Smartest Pro app into your Google TV now. Now what you just want to do is to go ahead and click on install. And as you can see, the IPTV Smartest Pro app is now being installed into our Google TV. Now once it is done installing, you can go ahead and open it up directly from here. And now we have the IPTV Smartest Pro running smoothly on our Google TV. Also, if you come over to the home of your Google TV over here, you're going to find out that the IPTV Smartest Pro has been added to the list of apps on our Google TV. So basically, that is how to download and install the IPTV Smartest Pro app on your Google TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.